Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this episode, I would like to discuss about the medicinal plants that are used for COVID-19. As you are familiar about the COVID-19 is a pandemic throughout the world. In Pakistan, the third wave is a very dangerous wave. Most of the people are infected by the COVID-19. So I would like to discuss about the medicinal plants that are possible medicinal plants that are used to treat the COVID-19 of the third wave. I will tell you about the symptoms of third waves as well as the medicinal plants that are used to treat this third wave of COVID-19 and the foods that is recommended to treat such type of the symptoms. Be careful, it is very important to know the symptoms of the third waves and then you have to treat, then you have to precautionary measures you have to follow. The symptoms of the third wave of COVID-19 includes the body aches, the body pains, burning sensation in urine, burning eyes, throat infections, runny nose, sometimes decongestions of the nose as well as the fever. As this virus mainly attack the nerve system, it mainly attack our lung systems, bronchial systems, our respiratory system. So it is very important to keep hydrated, to take plenty of the fluids like the fresh water, like the vitamin C juices and number of herbal drinks that contain a rich vitamin C as well as antioxidant. Here I give you the recipes that are commonly recommended to treat the viral infection, particularly this pandemic. Medicinal plants that are used to treat the COVID-19. There are various parts, that is the roots, stems, leaves, flowers, berries, fruits. Because the plants are rich source of number of minerals, fibers, vitamin C. So in this way, we have identified medicinal plants which are the rich source of vitamin C. They used as a natural immuno boost as well as the natural treatment or the phytotherapy to treat the COVID-19. First recipe that is used to treat the COVID-19 is the combination of 4 plants. Number 1, astragalus roots. Number 2, angelica roots. Number 3, ginger. And number 4 is the honey. You know that astragalus, angelica and ginger are naturally immuno boost and they have a strong antiviral activities. By preparing the extract from these 3 plants, by adding the honey is one of the natural phytotherapy to treat the COVID-19 because this therapy contains a rich antioxidant potential, this therapy contains a rich vitamin C and a natural immuno boost. Neem, which is botanically called as Azadirachta indica, is another important medicinal plant. The leaves of the neem are recommended for antiviral diseases. So during this pandemic, this plant has a strong antiviral activities. It is antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, and it is also used to treat the blood purification. So this is another important plant that is used for antiviral activities. The third recipe to treat the COVID-19 is the herbal tea that is prepared by cinnamon bark and the cardamom seeds. By adding some honey, it is another important recipe that is used to treat the COVID-19 and as it is also important to control the symptoms of third wave of COVID-19. The tulsi, which is botanically called as Ocimum basilicum, the aerial parts of the tulsi are also recommended for antiviral diseases. So the COVID is a viral infection, so the drinking of the herbal tree or herbal fresh juice obtained from the tulsi is also recommended, one of the important plant for viral infection. Another herbal recipe that includes turmeric, that is curcuma domestica, ginger, gingiber officinale and ashgandha, that is Withenia somnifera. By adding these plants in a herbal recipe to add some honey or sugar is also one of the powerful antiviral recipe. It is also recommended for relieving the symptoms of COVID-19. Cumin, that is a Cuminum cyminum, which is commonly known as a zira. The extract of the cumin is also recommended for viral infection. So this extract is a rich source of antioxidant and it has a strong activities against viral infection. So it is recommended for COVID-19 as well. One of the important medicinal plant is moringa. Moringa oleifera is a natural plant, is a superfood that contain 7 times more vitamin C than orange. So it is very important to eat the moringa, to eat this superfood for strengthen our immune system, to strengthen our muscles, body. So this is another important plant, that is one of the important plant that is used to treat the COVID-19. Another phytotherapical approach or herbal therapy is including the orange peel, orange bark, as well as the chamomile. You know that the aerial parts of chamomiles are one of the best herbal tea that is used to treat number of viral infection. They are used to treat the cold, they are used to treat the flu. So this recipe that includes the orange peel, the chamomile aerial parts. By using this herbal tea is one of the natural phytotherapy to treat the COVID-19. There are number of fruits, number of vegetables, number of the medicinal plants that I have mentioned can be used as a safe food to treat the symptoms of COVID-19, and it's very important to treat your third wave of COVID-19 by using the natural foods, natural medicines, and the fruits that are the rich source of vitamin C.